Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
It is scientific learning. It is also known as SQL, free software machine learning library for the Python programming language. It is used for classification, regression, clustering, support vector machine, random forest, gradient boosting, k-means, db scan. Then Theano is a Python library that allows us to evaluate mathematical operations, including multidimensional arrays, so efficiently. It is mostly used in building deep learning applications. It works a way more faster and a graphics processing unit rather than CPU. It is mainly designed to handle the type of computation required for the large neural network algorithms used in deep learning. Then TensorFlow is a free and open source software library for machine learning and artificial intelligence especially. And Keras is an API designed for human beings, not machines, especially in artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning we are using. Then PyTorch is an open source machine learning library based on the Torch library primarily developed by Facebook company, PyTorch, and the AI research lab. It is used for applications such as computer vision, natural language processing. Then Seaborn. Seaborn is a Python data visualization library based on matplotlib. It can use as data visualization, visualize distribution, trends, and relationships of variables. And the last one, matplotlib. It is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It is a cross-platform data visualization and graphical plotting library for Python and its numerical extension NumPy. Developers can also use multiplot, matplotlib's API's application programming interfaces to embed plots into your application. So why 5 reasons of Python is useful in cyber security? Cyber security professionals can get up to speed quickly. Cyber security teams can form quickly. Python's extensive library means cyber security tools are already available. Python can be used for nearly anything in cyber security. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. Benefits of Python for cybersecurity is simplifies debugging. It opens source programming language. It is a powerful language. It is useful in automation. It enhances productivity. It uses real-world programming products. It reduces development time. The last slide, Python has a language has the following applications in cybersecurity: geolocation extraction, network port scanning, better script development, application monitoring, complete cybersecurity package, packet sniffing. So with this one, I am closing the Python programming. Now I am showing the practical sessions. Please see here. So now I'm closing the Python programming. See here, the run command. See here. So this is the C colon users. Now I am creating a small concept called public smart. See, I am creating a notepad file. I am creating file concept. See now, notepad. My screen is visible, my dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am creating the please. Please ask.
What is NumPy?
NumPy is a library. Yeah. NumPy is a library. It is used to solve the numerical operations, any numerical operations, array operations. Okay, any operations, mathematical operations. It can solve NumPy. That's why it is a library. Any doubt?
Okay, so pandas are also libraries.
Yeah, pandas also library. It can deals with the data sets, databases. Student all roll numbers. That is called the data set. Columns and rows. It is called data set. Now see, I am creating a file now. File notepad space to all of you parallel if you are having system. Notepad space cybersiksha.txt. Next file I am creating. See here, txt means text file. So now I am creating text file. I am writing one paragraph about Cyber Siksha. Cyber Siksha is a excellent excellent training camp training camp through online with the number of students or assume that 40 students. Cyber Siksha is located. I am writing Bangalore. This is the text file I am writing. Please listen carefully. Okay, text file I am writing. Now I am saving this file. I want to say I am saving this file. Okay. So now remember. Now I am creating it. So text file I have created. Now I am creating a notepad space. Python file I am creating. Notepad space cyber siksha dot given Python file. Okay. Now see. So I am writing. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to create a file with content. This is the aim of the program. File. See, file is equal to open, double brace begin, open, parenthesis begin, double quotes begin. This part I have copied already. C colon, where my Python file is there, C colon, and the users, then slash, okay, and then slash, what is the file name? Cyber Siksha I have the file. Cyber Siksha dot txt. This is a text file. Okay. Then comma, double quotes begin, R is a read mode. So this is creating a file. See? Please respond. Yeah. Now write a Python program to create a file with content. So text file I have already created. File is equal to open of colon slash user slash Sharavati slash my file name is cybersiksha.txt. Okay, so now I am reading. This is creating a file. Now I am reading. Read underscore content. I am doing read underscore content to open. Okay, so open dot read is a function. Next print. Only 3 statements. Please write down all of you. Now you have to show me after this print read underscore content. How simple. So this is a file creation operations. Now see, only 3 statements. This is a aim of the program. This is a file creation. I am creating a file called cybersiksha.txt and the armor read underscore content equal to open dot read print the read content. Now see, control S minimize